Hi, it's Sarah Taylor. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this painting I'm about to show you. It's a big 48 by 60 inch canvas. I'm super excited about it. It's for a friend that lives here locally, so I don't have to ship it, which is wonderful. And the color was inspired by actually some of the other art that's in her home. I'm going to get a little experimental with composition today on this big canvas, and I'm not really sure exactly what is going to happen. So hopefully it works out, and I'm going to get down into the studio and show you my colors, and we'll get you onto the canvas. All right, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I'm going to show you some of the products I'm using. So a couple different Amsterdam paints, and that's part of how I got the yellow color that I'm going to show you. I used some TLP Waterfall, some ColourArte Spicy Apricot, this really beautiful Harvest Gold and Ore, which are both TLP pigments. And then I'm playing with this Natural Earth pigment as well in their ultramarine blue, and it's very lovely. It's a very natural, nature-based pigment, non-toxic, which is wonderful. Titan Light Blue by Vivid Intense, Golden Fluid Raw Sienna, and of course Quinacridone Nickel Gold. Transparent Yellow Oxide by TriArt, it's another fluid paint, and Natural Gray by TriArt. So beautiful colors here, and I've done a lot of work to cultivate and build this color palette. These are my base coats. That's a white base coat, and then that's that neutral gray, which I did add some titanium white, and then I created this very beautiful pale earthy yellow color. And then that's like a Payne's Gray Prussian blue, and then that's some of that Titan Light Blue by ColourArte mixed with some Sky Blue by Amsterdam. And there's two different shades there that are very similar. And I have some nice palette knives out, a nice big RGM knife to help spread the paint across this large canvas. My puddle paints here, Quinacridone Nickel, that's that natural earth pigment in the ultramarine blue. That's the Titan light blue again, but a little, that's its full color there. And some gold. That's the TLP golds, and again some nice Charvin indigo and white. It's a little too thick. That's Modern Masters iridescent pearl mixed with golden fluid titanium white, which makes a really nice reactive puddle paint to go over the base coat, creates the pearl effect. And gold, and that's the oh, the other one wasn't gold. That's my gold. The other one was the raw sienna by Golden Fluid, that kind of yellow one there on the right. Just showing you my consistency a bit. And I pulled some high flow and iridescent copper, and then these are some of my homemade high flows using the high flow medium, which has been really interesting to play with. I love it. And then that's some 24 karat gold by Golden Fluid. So those are kind of my cloud over mixes up here that I use for accent to add different details and different effects. And this is a 72 by 48 inch, oh no, this is a 48 by 60 inch canvas. So I'm kind of trying something a little different with the base coat. Instead of tilting out big puddles, I want to create a little bit more intentional composition, just, kind of blocking the colors out a little bit in different areas. And I'm going to use that big RGM knife that I showed you, that's it right there, to kind of spread the paint really thin. The risk here is that the paint wouldn't get spread thin enough and I'd end up with kind of a muddy mess, but this was very successful, I think. I really love the outcome of this painting. It's for a good friend of mine that lives here locally, so which is really nice. It's a commission piece, but it's going to stay here in this area, and I don't have to ship it, so that's always a plus. I love doing commission work. It's definitely, some artists love it, some don't. I really enjoy it. I do usually ask for quite a bit of creative freedom when it comes to commissions, so I think that that's helpful when somebody's willing to kind of let you guide the way and follow your intuition. And from an interior design perspective, it's just really, I think it's really cool creating a piece of art for a specific space. I find it very fulfilling. So yeah, there's some exciting things coming up. I can't wait to share with you. I really am so grateful you're here. There is a bunch of links below, different ways to support me as an artist. It's all very helpful and so appreciated. I've got an Amazon store, a Patreon where I share all sorts of interesting things with my Patreon community. Yeah, all right. I'm going to let you watch. I'm going to put music on and I'll show you the dried results of this painting at the end. And I hope you like it. All right, have a beautiful day and I'll talk to you soon.
New life is birthing. I peek out from patterns. Eyes peel back the lanterns. This surf is a swift one. It's a delicate thrashing. This undertow daunting. The task is at hand, not a moment too soon. When doubled and breaking, all wide-eyed and crazy, you whisper sweet somethings to the one you are saving. Your mirror in likeness, your servant in highness, the earth in one being, your body the queen. I do not show the skin for you, I show myself to know myself. I show for the earth from which I came, my prayers for you to do the same. I do not show the skin for you, I show myself to know myself. I show for the earth from which I came, my prayers for you to do the same. All we've got, it will spread it like comfort. We'll out all the insides and down all the corners. And when doubled and breaking, all wide-eyed and crazy, you'll whisper sweet somethings to the one you are saving. Your mirror in likeness, your servant in highness, the earth in one being, your body the queen. Your mirror in likeness, your servant in highness, the earth in one being, your body the queen. I do not show the skin for you, I show myself to know myself. I show for the earth from which I came, my prayers for you to do the same. I do not show the skin for you, I show myself to know myself. I show for the earth from which I came, my prayers for you to do the same. I do not show the skin for you, I show myself to know myself. I show for the earth from which I came, my prayers for you to do the same. I do not show the skin for you, I show myself to know myself. I show for the earth from which I came, my prayers for you to do the same. For the earth from which I came, my prayer